So for this project I wanted to use these motors I found on eBay. However, I already burned two and I couldn't really get any meaningful power out of them. So I had to resort to using a motor I had laying around with an adapter I 3D printed so it could fit in the same space as this would. The other problem was that I wanted to put all the electronics here, separate from the motor. However, I realized this would put all the weight in the front, and then the boat would have the propeller outside of the water, and in general not a good waterline. So I 3D printed this thing here where I can put the battery, which is the heaviest part, and this actually should keep the boat straight. So let's see if this works. So what happened is the motor stopped running. I think I burned this one as well, and as you can see here there is a bit of molten plastic, so it must have gotten quite hot. Anyways, the boat was doing fine apart from that, and the fact that after a while I think water started entering from here. There is a hole here to allow the cable of the servo motor to pass, but since these two pieces are not glued, that water can come in and flood this area. So overall I think it's decent, but this will need to be revised, hopefully in the next video. Stay tuned.